So we're on the 27th of March, 2023. Excuse me. Monday fun day. Do you guys want to come out into the big house? Ooh, look at your cere. You see the cere is above the nose, above the beak. And you are definitely a little boy. Yes, you are. I'm going to have to call you Aura again. Hello, darling. Huh? What are you doing, Anna Ella? Huh? Do you want to go out into the sunshine? So I brought Anna and Ella out. It's the 27th. Now, Ella just shot off as soon as I came in. I'm going to have to try and figure out who Ella is. Is Ella up there? Are you Ella? Huh? You found a bug? Yes, you did. Anna, on the other hand, is not quite so sure, but she'll probably go in a minute. Hi, Dad. What do you think? Want to go up and see? It's the 27th of March. I mean, you're almost ready to go. What do you think? Hey, baby? What do you think? Huh? Want to go? Yay! There you go. Where's she now? Where'd you go? There you are. There you are. Come on, darling. Here you go. First flight. I just love the water. Nice cool fresh water. Nice and clean. And refreshed. Monday, 27th of March. It's a lovely. Good girl. Sorry, let me try. Wait. There's the heartbeat. Good girl. Right, so we've got Sheila and Prince's babies now. We're going to open the door. 27th of March, 2023. Hello, darlings. Hello, my babies. Come on. Wait, is that Mum? That's Sheila. What are you doing in there, Sheila? Hey? Oh, don't tell me you can't be getting ready to lay an egg. Please. You're not ready yet. You're definitely not ready to start laying an egg. Hello, darlings. Should we clean your nest? Where are you going? You're going to maybe start to fly soon, Rocky. Hey, look at you. Ooh. You're getting adventurous. It's old now, yeah, 4 weeks old. So getting close. Getting close, aren't you, darling? Rocky, look at you. And that's your dad there. And your mum there, so you don't look anything like your parents. Hey? Look at you. You look like more like a dove. What do you think? You can start flapping your wings. You're getting close. Strange brown beak as well. Look at your tail. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hey, Rocky. 4 weeks old, huh? You can start flapping. So here we have Pebbles. It's alright, I've got Pebbles. Pebbles not flying yet. Pebbles is just 3.5, maybe 4 weeks. Just about 4 weeks old. Look at that tail. You are gorgeous. Hey? Yes, you are. It's alright, I've got you, darling. Look at you. There's the side on. Bam, bam. What should I call you, Mum? Are you hiding? These are Sheila's and Prince's ones who are between 4 and 3 weeks old. So, 27th of March, you're watching the Budgies Central 123 channel. And we're just about to take a look at the third and final nest in the breeding shed, which contains the youngest family of Sparkles and Charlotte, and they are from between 3 weeks old and 3 and 4 weeks old. Sorry, wait, no, I keep on getting it wrong. The littlest one is just 2 and a bit, 2 and a couple of days old, and this one here, hello darling, and the oldest is 3.5 weeks old. Perfection. 2.5 weeks old, this one. See the spiky feathers coming out the head, the down developed in the body. Right, darling? Quite comfortable. Yeah, quite comfortable. Gorgeous. So, these are the 5 youngest, between 2 and a bit weeks to 3 and a bit weeks. That means a couple of days after 3 weeks. They're the youngest family. So, and again, like these belong to Sparkles and Charlotte. And as you can see, with the part above their nostrils is pink. Uh-oh, that's Molly getting cross out there. But the birds don't seem to be concerned, which is good. We've got the different colours. One looks very much like Daddy, which is one of the oldest ones. And the others, there isn't one that, well, I suppose actually the one on the top here looks most like Mum. It's the 27th of March and there's Anna, all fluffed up. She's had a very nice afternoon, probably a good 2 hours out here. First time. She's very happy. There's Ella. Oh, getting told from behind. Oi! That is so... Sorry, 27 Dad is there. Aunt is asking Dad for some food. Good boy, Aunt. Dad's feeding furiously, and we'll feed Aunt in a moment. Good boy, Aunt. So Aunt and Aura and Anna and Ella have all been out for the afternoon. They've had a lovely afternoon, but it's time for them to be in for the night because they've had a long day. The beautiful sunshine. Dad's feeding Aura now. Very good, Dad. Well done. And Limoncello has 5 eggs. Yay! I should clean your neck soon, actually. Limoncello has 5 beautiful eggs, don't you, darling? Good girl. Yeah. I'll be fresh in your nest soon, aren't I? Hey? Your beautiful eggs, darling. Well done, you. 27th of March. Good girl. Meanwhile, the nursery is busy. Dad and Mum had a nice quiet afternoon. 27th of March. Good girl, Limoncello. I'm going to shut the door now.